Hi, EdibleWildFood.com here, and we're going to show you how to make pine cookies. Very simple. We start off with white pine needles. Now, if many of you are not too sure on how to identify that, what you can do is go to the link below, and I have that information for you. Red pine can also be used, jack pine. White pine seems to have the best flavor for that. Moving right along, this is so simple. What we're going to start with are ingredients that are all pre-measured here. First, into the bowl, we will add the icing sugar or the confectioner sugar. Then the butter. And don't worry about the quantities. I will have a link to this recipe below. Followed by some pine powder. Now, if you don't know how to make pine powder from those needles, the link to how to do that will be below. And we have some fresh squeezed lemon that we're going to add. Lemon pairs well with white pine. And as that is getting mixed in with the flour, I will show you another recipe for pine cookies that are on my website. These are a little bit more tricky to do, a lot more ingredients, but the link to this one is also below. So, after this is all blended well, we will make this into a cylinder. Okay, so now the ingredients are thoroughly blended, and we are going to transfer this to the parchment paper. It might be a little sticky, but that's okay. And you're going to roll it into a cylindrical shape with the parchment paper. And once you have rolled it into the parchment paper, that's it. Put it into your fridge and leave it there for an hour or two. So it's been about an hour, hour and a half, and we've taken our pine dough out of the fridge, ready to cut up into about 1/4 inch slices. And then we will place them over here onto parchment paper covered baking sheet. Once this is completed, we put these into the oven and we bake them for anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. It's very, very important to watch the temperature because some ovens are hotter than others and these will go brown very quickly. So again, be careful with, make sure you're watching them so they don't get too brown. And we'll be back after these have been baked. Now our pine cookies are baked and ready to be eaten once they have been cooled. If making pine cookies or working with pine interests you, I have a PDF magazine that I sell for $5, and in it you will find lots of different recipes. And in addition, you'll also learn lots of information about the medicinal value of pine, as well as nutritional values, history, identification, harvesting, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to EdibleWildFood.com here at YouTube, and follow me at Facebook, EdibleWildFood.com. Thank you.